Away they go. Superior Arc from the outside, moving up by the rallies. Chase Charlie. Douglas Charm rising up. Giant Wonder. Rampage and Lana Stern is running at the tail of the field. Two runners fighting it out for the lead. Chase Charlie by ahead. Superior Arc from the outside and racing in third by Sound Pipelines. Rampage. Lana Stern is racing by the rail from the outside. Giant Wonder and Douglas Charm is running at the tail of the field by about 8 or 9 lengths of the leader. Chase Charlie by 3/4 of a length. Superior Arc and getting closer in third by the rail is Rampage. It's now Rampage by the rail. Chase Charlie from the outside. Superior Arc, Lana Stern, Giant Wonder, Douglas Charm as they race to the long, nice stretch run with two runners. Chase Charlie once again from the outside. Rampage Danori inside. It's a battle royale for these two horse. Rampage by the rail. Chase Charlie is on the outside. But Rampage this time by a length and a half. Chase Charlie. And finally, Rampage number 3. Chase Charlie second. Third, Superior Arc, Giant Wonder, Douglas Charm. And Lana Stern comes last.